All right, fellow mates, let's proceed to our simplified bulk carrier voyage instructions. Okay, details to consider in cargo calculation from the voyage instructions. I prepare 5 items, my fellow mates. Okay, keep reading, or uh, I will explain a little bit. Okay, number one, cargo type, either coal, iron ore, or any type of cargo, and of course the storage factor and the required quantity as per charter party. Okay, and of course as per the vessel conditions or the capacity of the vessel. Now, it is also important the load port and discharging port details to get the total bunker consumptions. All right, this is our normal practice to get the distance, calculate how many days, and of course, um, calculate the total consumptions of the bunker in order for us to give estimate figure for bunker replenish by the charterers. Okay, now let's proceed to the number three, load and discharge restrictions, and that includes limitations, for example load line zone, draft limitations or restrictions, and of course the water density, and that includes air draft. Number four, laden or ballast, full or echo speed. Okay, this also mentioned there, and number of loader during loading and discharging. Right, now let's proceed to practical exercises. Okay, now let's say the cargo is coal and the storage factor is 42.5 cubic feet per metric tons. Mentioned in the charter cargo requirements is 75,000 metric tons. 10% MOLO means more or less owner's option. Load port, North Palau, Indonesia, Kaohsiung, Taiwan will be the discharging port. Now you have to compute that the distance and then calculate how many days voyage. Okay, and of course that includes the port stay, how many days loading or how many days discharging. You have to consider that as well. Okay, and it's already mentioned here. Okay, summer discharge port, summer load port is tropical. We have drop limit 15 load port, and mention also the density. Okay, that includes discharge port, drop limit 14.5, and density 1.025. And the agreed charter party is echo speed, which is 13.5 knots for ballast conditions and 12.5 for laden or loaded conditions. Okay, now if you are from Singapore, for example, before you proceed to the load port, so that is considered you are in ballast conditions, so you can use 13.5 but still echo speed. Okay, now daily fuel consumptions will be 28 metric tons, okay, daily, and your DO, let's say 0.2, 24 hours. Fresh water, okay, and we have to consider as well the daily productions. Okay, now number 7, the instructions for our practical exercises will be one loader only, and the rate is 2,000 metric tons per hour. Okay, and your discharge rate will be 10,000 metric tons per 24-hour with 2 shore cranes. So you have to prepare the discharge sequence and the loading sequence as well. But you have to priority first the loading sequence after you prepare the pre-stowage plan. Now let's have our very quick assessment of how we get the or calculate the maximum cargo to load. Okay, let's say vessels particulars like this. Your light ship 13696 for example, and according to the summer draft, okay, summer load line draft will be 14.5 meters and the displacement is 95,394 metric tons. You can see or find these details in the ship's particulars, very quick details. Summer, winter, tropical, there is a table there. Okay, now let's do the quick assessment of maximum cargo to load. Now let's say we have non-cargo weight, or we call it consumables. Okay, you have discharge for estimate declared arrival conditions. This is your estimate discharge arrival conditions. Okay, for example, FODO, LO, ballast, fresh water, and your declared constant is 300. Your total non-cargo weight is 1,780. Now let's proceed here. Okay. Now, your displacement for summer draft, because that is your discharge port, okay, target. Draft limit will be 14.5. So you got these details from the ship's particular. We have 95394. You have to deduct it with your light ship. The light ship is 13696. You will have dead weight 81,698, okay, metric tons. Now you have to deduct that with your total non-cargo weight, that is 1780 metric tons, and you will have maximum cargo to load about 79918, or you can declare it as 900 metric tons as a whole number. Okay, now if you want to have more clearance, okay, you can declare it also 79800. Okay, it's up to you, between you and the master. All right, this is very quick assessment of your cargo calculation when it comes to maximum cargo to load. Okay, this is how we carried out the basic calculations. It's very easy, my fellow mates. All right, so we have already maximum cargo to load 7,900 metric tons. Okay, so that's it. You will have the figure that you are expecting to have it when you will start your voyage. Okay, and so on, we will prepare a voyage, okay, a pre-stowage plan that I will explain to you later. Okay, all right, so meaning the 79,900 metric tons is meeting the requirements of 10%. Okay, 7,500 is the 10%, but you are within the more or less, or the MOLO. Okay, 75 plus you have about 4,900 add on your cargo requested, for example. Okay, now I like to encourage you. I have a note here. If you are interested to be coached and mentored by Captain Coach RJ for the complete voyage as per instructions, okay, you can contact me through this email, Facebook, or through this YouTube channel, my Facebook page. Okay, now Now, for our target coaching mastery, of course, I have already explained to you the maximum cargo to load um, assessment. After that, we have to prepare a storage plan, okay, for charter approval. That is the continuation of our coaching. And then after that, if it is approved, for example, we are required to prepare a loading sequence from the ludicator or from the assistant of the ludicator. And after that, we will have our coaching session regarding load, port draft survey that include initial and final. We can use different means of draft survey from the load.com computer. We have Excel program, or the best also is manual calculation. Discharging sequences, ludicator, okay, by the use of ludicator, and of course we have to carry out this port draft survey as well. And initial, final, same materials we're going to use it. Okay, now for those who have or don't have collections of ludicator program, I can also provide you guys with ludic program. Okay, just throughout our communications, we will find out what you have or what you need to have it, okay, in order to complete the coaching and mentoring program that you are expecting to learn from this coaching and mentoring program. All right, so that's it, my fellow mates. I hope that this short presentation regarding this simplified bulk carrier voyage instructions will help you get the interest to contact me or to explore more. Then I will be glad to be your coach and a mentor for lifetime until you succeed in your career advancement as senior officer soon. All right, thank you for watching or listening. Once again, Coach RJ. Bye.